Hi, John Wolf here, and we're going to show you how to use our awesome design called Meteor. We're going to run 3 experiments with this design. The first experiment is going to be the surface density experiment. Here on the left side we have Mars, or a surface that resembles Mars, and on the right, the green side, we have Earth, and it has a surface that resembles Earth. And we're going to use both of these surfaces in this first demonstration. And we're actually going to use the lower drop zones for this experiment. So we're going to get the lower drop zone over here, and we're going to place it in these 2 holes on the side of our design. So you'll take your orange meteorite, place it right on the edge of the PVC pipe, and slowly, gently push it into the drop zone. And then you're going to slowly, gently, carefully pull out your crater, or your meteorite, and take the rulers that are provided for you and place them very lightly over the center of the crater. And you're going to look, here is a 3-inch in diameter crater measuring from rim to rim. And you're going to take your worksheet that we provided for you and fill out that measurement of 3 inches right here on the Earth side, because that was the Earth side of the design. And this process will be repeated 5 times for both the Earth and the Mars side. So you'll simply move this and place it on the Mars side, and using the same orange meteorite that you used in the first experiment on this side, gently pull out the meteorite straight up, place your measuring device right over the center of the crater, measuring from 1 inch to 6.5 inches, making the crater 5.5 inches in diameter. You'll record that right here as well. You'll repeat that process for 5 times and take the average of those measurements by adding them together and dividing by 5. Then we'll have a few questions for you to work out on the worksheet that you'll do in class. Okay, so before you start each experiment, you're going to make sure that you gently put the meteorite, in the PVC pipe, and you're going to slowly push it forward so you get a controlled drop every time. Your crater is going to form. You're going to slowly pick up your meteorite, make your measurement using the measuring devices provided, and then before you do any other experiments, you want to make sure that you use the ruler and make sure that the entire surface is flat before you make your next drop. So just gently make sure that everything's flat before the next drop. Okay, so for our next experiment, we're going to be testing different velocities and their impacts on crater size. So after conducting the first experiment of different surface densities, we're going to have the top over here, readily available to use. You're going to take the orange meteorite, place it in, and get your first drop. Alright, so you're going to measure this first crater with the measuring devices provided. And that'll be about from 2 to 4, so that's a 2-inch in diameter crater. And you're going to fill out your chart on your worksheet provided. And then you're going to take the ruler that you have and make sure that you resurface the material before you go again. Now take the removable PVC pipe from over there and place it on the Earth side. Now you're going to use the orange meteorite again and get another crater. And this one only measures 1.5 inches in diameter, which is smaller than before. Okay, for our last experiment, we're going to be testing different massed meteorites. We're going to use the red Mars side on the lower drop zone. Simply place that there. And start out with the heavier meteorite. You'll place it here, drop it, gently pull it out, and measure just like before. And then you're going to resurface it and repeat that until you have 5 total measurements for that meteorite. Then you're going to take the purple, lighter meteorite and do the exact same thing, getting 5 measurements with that. And you'll record all of that data on the worksheets provided.